Okay, we're out here fishing. You can see that there are some fish on the scope. It's a little windy out here. You can see a little chop on the water. Most all the other boats have gone in off the lake. I am trolling right now at about 750 RPM. Pretty much dead idle for my inboard outboard. And I am by myself on the boat here. See, we've got quite a bit of rock going on, but don't have any problem controlling the boat because we're using the Uncle Norm's fins on my outdrive unit. So even at low thrust like this, I can easily change course. This is with the troll fin down. I can stop it. I can reverse course. I could go in circles even out here in the wind, even though I've got a lot of canopy here for the wind to work on. So Uncle Norm's Marine Products, trolling fins, it's the real deal.